All right, let's talk about something really exciting in voice AI, Amazon's Nova Sonic model. Now, this isn't just your regular voice technology. We're talking about a system that finally gets it. It gets how we talk, not just the words, but the tone, the pauses, the whole vibe of a conversation. Pretty neat, right? Traditionally, developers had to juggle multiple models to achieve this magic. Speech recognition here, text to speech there, large language models in the middle. It's like juggling, like 5 balls at once. But Nova Sonic, it combines all of that into one unified model. No more juggling, just smooth, natural dialogue. What's wild is how this model adapts to the person it's talking to. Say you're booking a trip to Hawaii, all excited, and then, bam, you start worrying about costs. Nova Sonic adjusts. Its tone shifts, becoming all reassuring while pulling up budget-friendly options. That's the kind of intelligent interaction we've been dreaming about, and now it's reality. This tech isn't just stuck in one industry either. It's helping travel customers book their dream vacations and smoothing out communication for patients in healthcare. Imagine an AI agent not just answering your questions, but also catching the tiniest hints of stress or urgency in your voice and responding with care. That's next level innovation, isn't it? And this isn't just theoretical. Amazon Bedrock makes it operational. The API integration, lightning fast. Developers cut down complexity, but the results feel more human than ever before. So yeah, Nova Sonic isn't just raising the bar, it's redefining it. And when we think about what a unified approach like this can mean for voice applications, it's honestly kind of mind-blowing. Let's dive into the Nova Act SDK. Think of it like this. You're a builder, and someone just handed you a toolkit that's smarter, faster, and way more efficient. The SDK isn't just another tool, it's like a full-on playground for creating intelligent agents within web environments. Agents that can actually, take action. So what makes this thing so transformative? Well, it can break down complex workflows into these super tiny atomic commands. Stuff like searching for info or checking out a cart, even answering questions about what's on your screen. And if that wasn't cool enough, you can add detailed instructions to guide these actions like don't accept upsell insurance. I mean, talk about control, right? Now here's where it gets interesting. When you stack this text generation powerhouse with Nova's visual tools like Nova Canvas and Nova Reel, it's like the SDK learns a whole new trick. Say you're designing a project that involves both a conversational interface and some slick visual outputs. Nova Canvas can generate high quality images while Reel creates sharp, dynamic videos. Combining those with actionable agents, that's a mix that screams innovation. Let me give you a real-world example. Picture a developer building a project management system, yeah? With the Nova Act SDK, they create an agent that not only pulls data reports, but also takes proactive actions, like flagging delays or even suggesting workflow tweaks in real time. It doesn't just react, it thinks ahead. A system like that could save teams hours and make processes smoother than ever. And here's the kicker. Amazon made this accessible through nova.amazon.com. Developers can experiment straight away in a secure environment, test ideas, and roll them out at scale with Amazon Bedrock. It's basically inviting creators to dream big while building smart, intelligent solutions. Kind of feels like the future of software development, doesn't it? All right, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something that's just as exciting, how Amazon is empowering people to thrive in the AI revolution. As much as we talk about groundbreaking tech, none of it matters if people don't have the skills to, use it, right? That's where AWS is truly stepping up its game. They've rolled out over 135 training courses from the basics of generative AI all the way to advanced hands-on workshops. Whether you're an executive trying to navigate the bigger picture or a developer looking to sharpen your coding chops, there's something for you. And it's not just boring lectures or dry PDFs. Oh no, AWS is throwing in some pretty cool gamified learning models that, let's be honest, actually make training fun. Take something like Amazon Q, their generative AI assistant. With the right training, this tool can help you code faster, analyze data better, and honestly, just make your workflows ridiculously efficient. Or look at essentials of prompt engineering. This one focuses on crafting smarter prompts for AI systems. And let me tell you, having the right prompt, it's like unlocking a cheat code for creativity. Now, I want to share a quick story because I think this really drives the point home. A friend of mine, let's call her Jasmine, started taking AWS's AI courses about a year ago. She was in marketing, no technical background, but wanted to dive into this AI world. Fast forward to now, she's leading her team's AI-powered campaigns, whipping up better strategies using Amazon Q, and she even got promoted. All because she invested some time and effort into these AWS resources. It just goes to show the opportunities out there are huge, and Amazon's making them so much more accessible. So whether you're just curious or ready to take that leap, AWS is really breaking down the barriers to entry. Their portal, nova.amazon.com, is a fantastic place to start exploring if you ask me. Who knows? It might just be the spark you need to take your own career to the next level. And on that note, that wraps up today's episode. It's been incredible diving into Amazon's cutting-edge AI innovations with you. Thanks for hanging out, and as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you next time.